Hey NailTubers! So this is where I left off with the first nail prep, right? And if you haven't seen that, be sure to check it out after this. I'll make sure to have the link to it at the end of this, as well as in my description. And the reason I left off where I did was to get into this part 2, as I'll talk about nail prep liquids. First though, I do want to emphasize that I'm primarily discussing basic prep because I know it can be confusing as you go channel to channel and you're prone to see something different. So there are two basic liquids. First is the dehydrator. You see here, this is one of the musts. It helps dissolve your collective oils, moisture, and other products that are naturally produced and secreted by the nails, even if you think they're dry. This also promotes pH balance, which helps with adhesion. Oh, and also you only need to apply these liquids on the natural nail. Second is the primer. The most recommended is acid-free primer. Primer serves as the bonding agent between your natural nail bed and nail product. You ever see like them paint cars, how they put the primer on first? That's no different than this. You can also think of it as etching your nails, which is why you might even see primer used on artificial nail tips to help with adhesion too. Now, I'm not here to promote or convince what to purchase, but some reputable brands are Young Nails Protein Bond, Tammy Taylor Bonded, IBD Dehydrator and Stick Primer, Bond-Aid, No Lift Nails, Mia Secret Dehydrator, and Extra Bond. Now from here is the application of clear acrylic, which is when you commonly see most of my acrylic videos. They'll often start at this point. And the reason for this, maybe not so much dehydrator, but a quality primer can cost some coins. And my choice is to not use it up, especially when I'm working on my practice hand. Laying clear acrylic can be a choice, and it's typically used as a primary layer to file down to for like fill-ins or to redo another set over the original foundation. Another reason is to protect from staining, especially when using a strong pigmented color powder like the one you'll see in the video coming up soon from this nail prep. But ultimately, it would be wise to determine if you need the clear foundation to create strength, because many color acrylics don't serve that purpose. And you may have even heard the advice that color acrylics cost more, so there's another way to save some coins too. An option not to use clear could be when the primary acrylic is like a light translucent color, which means there's more of a mixed blend of clear in it. Now you might see me do it two different ways. You can either focus mainly on the natural nail bed, or you can apply it to the entirety of the natural nail and extension. This is going to be a choice based on your client's needs. I think I did a partial to the pinky and ring fingers, and though it may be ever so thin, full coverage to the middle and index fingers. Something I do want to emphasize though, because even as I visit channels, I notice comments expressing to the content creator that they did something wrong. Let me say this, you are going to see variations. And one of the reasons I bring this up is because you'll even see base coat applied after your dehydrator and primer. And you know what? I definitely don't disagree with that. The thing is, you may be comfortable or satisfied with the nail practices you've learned when doing your own nails. But, and I think I said this, your client's needs are going to vary from person to person. Person to person. That's Average White Band, guys. Me and my music. And you're probably going to have to modify your prep application accordingly. But today, I covered the primary must-do steps, and I really hope it helped. If it did and you enjoyed this, remember to check out my other prep video where I go over how to prevent lifting. You can click this link, and I'll see you there. Don't forget to subscribe and click the Nailification bell so you'll know when I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.